What is up, everybody? Keith Jameson with the Jameson team here at Lightly Real Estate. It is Monday, May 25th, and I am here with your Bay Area real estate update. So first off, I want to wish everybody a happy Memorial Day. Hope you all are enjoying the day and staying safe. Let's jump right into the numbers. And for new listings, pendings, and sold across Tampa Bay, we are once again up. This makes a lot of sense considering, the stay-at-home orders are, even being more and more lifted across the area. And those people that either at the beginning of the year were really wanting to buy and had to, take a quick break with everything going on, or it's buyers that are seeing some of the lowest rates in history, the buying power that low rates give them, and they're out looking for homes. We can see that people being out is once again reflected in the showing time data. We're actually only down 6.3% from this time last year. Given that 2019 was a really good year in real estate and that everything we've gone through in 2020, this is pretty incredible to see us that close. Finally, open houses are, they're open. Again, Florida Realtors has released agents the ability to go back on the MLS and advertise open houses. They are asking that agents do a number of things to maintain the safety during these events, such as having personal protective equipment available for those that don't have it, making sure that social distancing is enforced, and other safety precautions. Hopefully this will, even get more and more buyers out that are looking for homes and continue, this upward trend of real estate. If you do have any questions about any of these statistics, the market, or anything else we can help with, please reach out to Jillian and I. We'll be happy to assist. Once again, my name is Keith Jameson with the Jameson team at Lightly Real Estate, and we're opening the door to your next home. Take care and see you next week.